Action. We've been installing Facewatch now since 2018. We're in stores, thousands of stores, the length and breadth of the country. There's absolutely no evidence to suggest that it does affect footfall or negatively impact on the brand. The dynamic of the retail marketplace has changed, to be honest with you. When we first launched Facewatch, I think there might be some appetite to support that. People saying, I'm scared of facial recognition. But retail crime is now out of control. It's well accepted. And responsible retailers are motivated by protecting their customers and specifically their employees. And if an employee feels valued and supported, they will contribute more to the business. Typically, how people would install Facewatch, a new business, they'd trial it, perhaps in a couple of stores, usually over an 8-week trial. They'd satisfy themselves that the system works. They'll obviously measure any impact, potential negative impact from customers, and then they'll order more. And they might put another 20 or 30 in, trial that, measure the impact of that. And we're in multiple retailers, over 100 retailers up and down the UK, thousands of stores, as I say. And I doubt that retailers, I've been an ex-retailer myself, would install a technology that either affected their brand or affected trade, affected footfall. There are over 2,000 employees verbally or violently assaulted in British retail every day today. So a responsible employer putting a system in like Facewatch that prevents and deters crime, it's got to be a good thing.